Hi, my name is Karen Medford, and my husband and I own Sirius Day Spas. We have 2 locations in Florida, Southwest Florida, and we used to be part of a corporate entity, and were fortunate enough to separate from that, and we are here at Leap Ahead for the proper transition for this 3-day seminar. We are super excited about implementing these strategies, and we definitely recommend Dory and her team for anybody who's looking to expand and grow their business. It's definitely an amazing event, so thank you very much.